Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video has three opportunities and honestly, all three are from different domains. One is a proper software engineer role in a big global company. Second one is for data science and machine learning students. And the third one is software engineer role with multiple openings for freshers. So if you are into computer science, IT, data science or any engineering background, then watch this video carefully because there are opportunities for front-end, back-end and AI/ML learners. Let's start with the first opportunity. The company is Publicis Group and they are hiring for the role of software engineer. This is an in-office role based in Bangalore. Now, Publicis Group is actually a very strong global technology and digital transformation company. So getting an opportunity here as a fresher can be very valuable for long-term career growth. Coming to the salary part, fresher software engineers here can expect compensation around 10 to 13 LPA depending on your skills and interview. Now let's understand what actually you do in this role. In this position, you will be involved throughout the software development lifecycle. Your responsibilities will include interacting with software developers, business analysts, and software architects to plan, design, develop, and test application. Now we will also work on developing user interfaces for internet, intranet, and mobile application. The technologies mainly include C Sharp, JavaScript, Angular, ASP.NET, and Web APIs. Apart from development work, they are also expecting candidates to write clean and testable code with minimal bugs, follow agile methodologies, contribute to CI/CD workflows, maintain proper documentation, and collaborate actively with teams. So this is not just a coding role. They are looking for candidates who can work in a proper enterprise level software development environment. Now coming to the skills, they are looking for bachelor's or master's degree candidates in technology or engineering fields. The key technical skills mentioned are C Sharp, JavaScript, SQL or NoSQL databases, Angular, Web APIs and Git. So if you already know front-end development, back-end APIs or full-stack basics, then this role is suitable for you. Another important thing is that they specifically mentioned strong communication skills and collaborative ability because you will be working with multiple teams. Now let's move to the second opportunity. The company is DataCaffe.ai and they are hiring for the role of data science engineer. This is an in-office role in Bangalore and freshers are eligible. Now this role is especially good for students who are learning data science, machine learning, Python, SQL and analytics or visualization tools. Coming to the salary, they are offering around 20 to 25,000 rupees per month. Now let's talk about the responsibilities because they have mentioned many practical data science tasks here. In this role, you will assist in data collection, cleaning, pre-processing and transformation activities. You will also perform data analysis, generate insights from data science, support machine learning model development and testing, and work on predictive analytics project. Apart from that, you will create dashboards, reports and visualization for stakeholders, collaborate with different teams, to solve business problems using data and write clean SQL queries. So this role gives exposure to both analytics as well as machine learning workflows. Now coming to the required skills, they want candidates with basic understanding of Python or R. You should know SQL or database concept. They also expect understanding of statistics, machine learning and data analysis concept. Tools like Power BI, Tableau or Matplotlib are mentioned. Knowledge of Excel, analytical thinking, communication and problem solving ability are also important. Now let's move on to the third opportunity. The third company is Meditech Hire and they are hiring for the role of software engineer. This role has around 25 openings, which is actually a good sign because hiring chances become higher when openings are more. This is a hybrid role available in Shimoga, Bangalore and Mysore. Freshers are eligible to apply and the offered salary is around 4 to 4.25 LPA. Now honestly, the job description here is shorter compared to the other companies, but the important part is required skills. They are mainly looking for candidates with knowledge in Java, Python, AWS and software engineering concept. The role basically focuses on software application development. For education, any graduate can apply. So this opportunity can be useful for freshers who are trying to enter software engineering and already have some understanding of Java programming, Python development or cloud basic like AWS. And since there are multiple openings, I would definitely suggest applying early. So yes guys, these were the opportunities for today. All the apply links are in the description box and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.